In this video, I'll show you how to add your Cash App card to your Apple Wallet so you can pay with it anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. First, open your Cash App and tap the card icon in the bottom menu. This will bring up your Cash Card screen. You'll see your card displayed with a few options underneath. Look for the one that says Add to Apple Pay and tap it. Cash App will guide you through a quick setup process. You may need to confirm your identity or verify your card details, but for most people, it only takes a few seconds. Follow the on-screen instructions and agree to any terms that appear. Once the setup is complete, you'll get a confirmation message saying your Cash Card has been added to Apple Wallet. You can now open your Apple Wallet app and see it right there alongside your other cards. If you want, you can even make it your default payment method so it's used automatically when you check out. That's all there is to it. Now your Cash App card is ready to tap and pay in stores, online, or in apps, anywhere you see the Apple Pay logo. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to Cash App, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with zero fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part? Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.